Hello everybody! Today let me show you how to practice English speaking skill by yourself, alone, at home without a partner. Okay, here we go. Today we talk about did you feed the cat? Okay. First you click listen.
Did you feed the cat?
Did you feed the cat? And click speaking test. And click microphone on your keyboard. Did you feed the cat? And click OK. OK, correct. And next one.
I'll do that in a minute.
I'll do that in a minute. Okay, and speaking test. And click microphone. I'll do that in a minute. And click OK. OK, correct. Next one.
The cat is meowing, he's hungry.
The cat is meowing, he is hungry. And speaking test. And click microphone. The cat is meowing, he is hungry. And click OK. OK. Correct. And next one.
You shouldn't make him wait.
You shouldn't make him wait. Okay. Speaking test and click microphone. You should not make him wait. And click OK. Oops. You should not make him wait. Wait. Okay. Don't worry. And just try again. Speaking test and click microphone. You should not make him wait. And click oh. Okay. Maybe and skip this. Speaking test and skip. Okay, for the next one.
I was doing my homework.
I was doing my homework. And speaking test. And click microphone. I was doing my homework. And click OK. OK. Correct. And next one.
The cat doesn't care about your homework.
The cat
The cat doesn't care about your homework.
The cat doesn't care about your homework. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. The cat doesn't care about your homework. And click OK. OK, correct. And next one.
The cat doesn't care about anything.
The cat doesn't care about anything. And speaking test and click microphone. Oops. The cat doesn't care about anything. And click OK. OK, correct. And next one.
That's the way cats are.
That's the way cats are. Okay. And click. That's the way cats are. And click OK. Oh, that's the way cats. Okay, don't worry. Skip here and skip this to the next one. That's the way cats are. Okay.
All they think about is themselves.
All they think about this. All they think. Okay, listen again.
All they think about is themselves.
All they think about is themselves. Okay. All they think about is themselves. Maybe. Oh. All they think. Okay. And skip. Oh, sure. Skip this. And next one.
Maybe we should get rid of him.
Maybe we should get rid of him. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. Maybe we should get rid of him. Okay. Okay, correct. Next one.
Of course not. He's family.
Of course not. He is family. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. Of course not. He is family. And click OK. Okay. Okay, now it's your turn. You can click link below this video and try it yourself and have fun and see you later. Bye bye.